Guys, what is going on? Huawei's sub-brand Honor is getting up the unveil the Honor 30 series on March 30. Yesterday we discovered that the company is also taking the unreleased Honor Play 9A to the event. The smartphone paid to a visit to TENAA a few days ago. So thanks to it, we discovered details about the screen size and battery capacity. Today, however, the TINA listing was updated with image and the full space sheet. The Honor Play 9A will boast two cameras in the rectangular setup next to a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. So you can see the photos, the design of Honor Play 9A. The Honor Play 9A is low-end device aiming at the entry-level segment. It features a primary camera with 13 megapixel and secondary 2 megapixel depth module under the hood. The smartphone boasts the Helio P35 SoC, which comes along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of storage. The handset is built around a 6.3-inch LCD panel with a water drop notch. The cutout serves as house for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. The Play 9A draws power from a 4900 milliampere battery with 10-watt charging. So when it comes to the software part, we believe that it runs Android 10 straight out the box with Magic UI 3.0 running atop. Of course, the Google mobile service aren't present in the firmware. You can see the the article was published by Huawei Honor. They have published this article. So they are launching this phone 13 March 13 March. So you can see it alive. Okay guys, if you want to buy this, you can check the website of their phones and company. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.